Hello friends, in this video I'll discuss how we can apply chi-square test in SPSS. So firstly, we should know that chi-square test is the test which is non-parametric as well as parametric. So in this video I'll explain you chi-square test as a non-parametric test. So for that we should have one hypothesis, and suppose hypothesis is there is no association between preferred teaching mode and gender. So there is other way to making the same hypothesis, and this is preferred teaching mode is independent of gender. So both the hypotheses are stating the same meaning. So we should know this thing that if we are taking chi-square test as a non-parametric test, so we should have two variables and both should be measured on categorical scale or nominal scale. So here we are checking firstly our variables. So our variables are gender and preferred teaching mode. So I'll show you the database. In that I'll show you that both the variables are categorical. For preferred teaching mode, there are two categories, that is online and offline. And for gender, also there are two categories, male and female. So this way, firstly, we should know this thing that for chi-square test, these can be the hypothesis. This way we can make hypothesis. And for chi-square test as a non-parametric test, there should be two variable and both should be measured on nominal scale or categorical scale. So now let's move for the applying chi-square test in SPSS. So if suppose I have this data set in that there are few variables, as I have shown you the hypothesis, according to that hypothesis, we should have two variables, that is gender and second one is preferred teaching mode. So you can see both the variables are coded. So firstly, we need to check what this 1 and 2 are stating to us. So I am going to variable view for checking this. So in variable view, you can see that under the value column, this 1 stands for male, 2 stands for female. Then for preferred teaching mode, we will check what is 1 and 2. So 1 is online and 2 is offline. So this way we are knowing that we have two categorical variable named as gender and preferred teaching mode, and both are measured on nominal scale. Now, how we can apply chi-square test here in SPSS? So for that, we need to go to Analyze menu. Then we need to go to Descriptive Statistics. Then need to select Cross Tabs. Here you can see at the left hand side box all the variables of dataset are listed here. At the right hand side there are two main boxes, row and column. So here we need to shift our two variables. So if suppose I am taking gender firstly, so that I am shifting in the row, and second variable is preferred teaching mode, that I am shifting to the column. So it is not like that which variable we need to put on the row box or which we have to put in the column box. Here whatever you are liking, that you can shift in the row box or in the column box. After that you need to go to the statistics button. Click on this button and then here you need to only select chi-square and then press continue. Then go to cells. Here observed is already by default checked by the SPSS. We need to only select expected here. So we will okay with observed and expected. These two will give you the observed frequency and expected frequency. Because if manually you have applied chi-square test, so you are knowing this thing. For chi-square test in the formula, there are two things needed: expected frequency and observed frequency. So these two will find that thing for us. And then you just need to click on continue. And remaining buttons we do not need to touch. And remaining buttons we do not need to touch. Whatever is by default setting, we will go with that. So only we need to press OK here. As we will press OK, the output window of SPSS will give us the cross-tab results or the chi-square test results. So here you can see the first table is case processing summary table. Second one is the preferred teaching mode and gender table, and last one is the chi-square test table. So this is only summarizing the case processing. In this table you can see the count and the expected count. So this is observed frequency and this is the expected frequency, and this is the main table in which we will get the value of chi-square test along with its significant value or asymptotic significant value. So on the basis of these results we can test our hypothesis whether we are going to accept or reject our null hypothesis. So if the significant value is greater than 0.05, because I am testing my hypothesis at 5% level of significance. So if because I am testing my hypothesis at 5% level of significance, so that for that purpose I need to compare this asymptotic significant value by 0.05. So this value is greater than 0.05. So in that case, we have to accept the null hypothesis. And what was the null hypothesis? The null hypothesis was there is no association between preferred teaching mode and the gender. So that means we are stating this thing that preferred teaching mode is independent of gender. So gender is playing no role in opting the teaching mode. So this way we have concluded this thing from this particular cross-tabs or chi-square test. So friend, I hope this video will help you to understand how we can apply chi-square test in SPSS and how we can interpret the results. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel Dr. Chanchal Jain for more such videos. You can also comment your topic on whatever topic you want video from my side. Please like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching the videos once again. Happy learning to all.